Welcome to Magic Minutes by MGIC, mortgage industry training that helps you expand your knowledge and skills.
Single, monthly, choice monthly, BPMI or LPMI? Are you a little confused about MGIC's premium plans? Then this is the video for you as we take a quick look at the 4 most popular premium plans MGIC offers. Today, I'm here to discuss the various private mortgage insurance premium plans so that you can position yourself as a trusted mortgage advisor by keeping your borrowers' interests, needs, and goals in mind as you help them structure their loans. MGIC offers several premium plans for PMI, but today we'll be covering 4: BPMI monthly, BPMI single, LPMI single, and BPMI choice monthly. First, let's address the meaning of these acronyms. BPMI. This stands for Borrower Paid Mortgage Insurance and means the mortgage insurance is paid by the borrower. LPMI. This stands for Lender Paid Mortgage Insurance and means the mortgage insurance is paid by the lender. To start, let's look at our BPMI monthly premium plan. This is the most popular plan and is perhaps the easiest to explain to your borrowers. The MI premium amount is paid by the borrower each month, along with the mortgage loan principal and interest amount and any other applicable escrow items such as taxes and homeowners insurance. One of the biggest advantages of BPMI is that for most loans, it can be canceled. Cancellation can be requested by a borrower with a good payment history when the loan reaches a 80% loan-to-value ratio based on the original property value. Otherwise, the BPMI terminates automatically when the loan reaches a 78% loan-to-value ratio based on the original amortization schedule and property value. For conventional loans, earlier cancellation based on current property value may be available. Canceling MI reduces the borrower's monthly payment without needing to refinance. Monthly BPMI can be very attractive because there's no upfront fee, no need for the borrowers to pay for mortgage insurance at closing, and you're not increasing their debt by financing a fee into the loan. Keeping that loan amount down will put your borrowers in a better equity position. Although BPMI monthly is the most used plan, MI is not one size fits all, and this is where your advice is valuable in educating the borrower as to how one of the other premium plans might be a better fit for their situation. Let's look at single premiums next. Single premiums are beneficial to those borrowers who want to keep their monthly mortgage payment as low as possible. Premiums are typically paid in one lump sum at closing. Borrower paid, or BPMI singles, are typically paid from the borrower's own funds, although they can be paid by a builder, seller, or a third party. Borrowers may have the option of paying the MI premium in one lump sum at closing, or, depending on your investor's guidelines and the borrower's individual situation, they may be able to finance the premium into the loan amount. While borrower-paid singles may be canceled, in most cases it will only benefit the borrower if a refundable premium was chosen at closing and is done within the first 5 years. In that situation, the borrower may receive a prorated portion of the MI premium back. But due to the higher premium that goes with the refundable option, most borrowers select a non-refundable plan to keep their monthly payment low. The other method of paying a single premium is lender paid, or LPMI singles. As the name suggests, the premium is paid by the lender. However, to cover the cost of the premium, the lender will typically either increase the loan fees or the interest rate for the borrower. LPMI often results in a lower initial monthly payment compared to monthly MI because there's no MI premium included in the monthly payment. However, because borrower paid monthly MI can be canceled, and lender-paid MI cannot be canceled, borrowers who choose LPMI are accepting the higher interest rate for the life of the loan. And if you're wondering how some lenders advertise no MI programs, it could be because they're using LPMI. Finally, MGIC offers BPMI Choice Monthly, which is our most customizable premium plan with the most flexibility. This gives borrowers the option of paying part of the MI premium upfront to reduce the monthly MI premium amount. How much they pay upfront is up to them, and the larger the upfront payment, the lower the monthly premium. With Choice Monthly, borrowers can benefit from lower monthly payments, the use of all available lender and seller credits, and the option to pay a portion of the MI premium upfront or finance it into the loan. Borrowers can request cancellation on the monthly portion of the premium based on investor requirements or under the Homeowners Protection Act of 1998. Now that you've learned more about the pros and cons of our 4 popular MI premium plans, BPMI Monthly, BPMI Singles, LPMI Singles, and BPMI Choice Monthly, you should feel confident in your ability to provide these options to your borrowers. For more information on MGIC's MI premium plans, reach out to your local MGIC account representative or visit mgic.com/premium plans.
Thank you for joining us for Magic Minutes. We hope this brief tutorial has made a difference for you. For more how-to videos, visit mgic.com/training. Take a moment to review our legal disclaimer. MGIC is providing this as general information based on current industry guidelines at the time of this recording. It is always advised that you seek the guidance of your own compliance and regulatory departments.